Good morning, guys. Today we are going to see a concept called functions in a programming language. Yeah, let us see what are the topics we are going to see in this section. In this section, first we are going to see about what are user defined function and what are the types of function and categories of function and how to declare a function and its prototype and how to storage a class in C calling a function. So these are the topics today we are going to cover. So first let us see what is a function. A function can be classified into two types. One is a built-in function and another one is the user defined functions. So under built-in functions, we have scanf, printf, getch, putch. Under a user-defined function, a series of instructions that we are going to execute more than once. So these are the two types of function that we are going to use in a programming language. So first let us see what is a user-defined function. So this is the syntax how the user-defined function is done. That is the return type of a function and a function name, then the arguments which is enclosed within a parenthesis, and the function body should be given inside a open and closing braces, and each line of a function body should end with a semicolon. So this is the syntax how we are going to declare a function. And after that, how we are going to call the function. A function can be called inside a main function. The syntax is function name and inside the parenthesis the arguments. The arguments are the not compulsory, it is the optional one. If a user needs the argument, you can pass the arguments, or else it can be a empty. So this is the syntax how we are going to declare a function and call a function. So let us see for an example. Now we have a simple program how we can define or declare a function and how we can call a function. So as usual, first one is the hash include std.h. This is the header file of the main header file of the C program. And after that, void hi. Here void is the return type. We know a void means it may or may not return any value. So void is the return type and I is the function name. So already we have seen in the syntax a function body should be given inside the open and closing braces. So inside the open and closing braces, here we have given the body of the function. That is, this function is simply going to print a message welcome to function and printf good morning. So this is the syntax of the function. And next one is so here we are going to close a function called hi, and next we are going to open a main function. Inside a main function we have given a clear screen. We already know clear screen is used to clear a holder information in the output window. And next one is here printf main function welcome to function. This is the main function. And next step we are calling a function called hi. So this is the syntax how we'll call a function. A function can be called by its name. When a function is called, a body of the functions will be executed. So while calling this function hi, our compiler or else our control will move to a function called hi and execute what are the function body contains, and after that it will come to a main function. And after calling a function called I, it will print f. Inside that we are given a by and getch, we are closing a main function. So this is the simple program how a function, this sub function can be called inside a main function. Next, what are the categories of function? Here the categories are based on 4 types. First one is no argument, no return values. Second one, argument but no return values. Third one, no argument with return values. With argument with return values. So these are the 4 types of categories of function. So this is the another one example for to perform a addition of 2 numbers. no arguments and no return type. This is the example of the first category one, no arguments and no return values. So in this we have included a main function which is stdio.h, and after that we have declared a function called void add. Here void is the data type and add is a function name, and after that inside a void, after that we have given a main function void main. Inside that we have declared a three variables. One is int a comma b comma c, the three variables which is used to perform a addition of two numbers and which will store it in a thing.